So welcome to today's walk around tour, and this is where I'm staying. I can't pronounce it, so I'm not going to say it. And I'm staying on just behind that little tree there on the first floor. Right, what I should have done is video the room before I trashed it, but I'm going to show you what I've got. I'll tell you what I paid for this afterwards, and I think you might be blown away. Right, we've got a very old style, kind of like 1970s kitchen, 80s kitchen, but we get a fridge, we get a microwave, we get a kettle, we get cutlery, we get pots, pans, glasses and stuff, plates, we get 2 beds, we get a flat screen TV, we get a spare bed, we get a luggage move up to put all your stuff on, and then you get all this storage here to hang your clothes, box standard shower, nothing special, toilet. But wait till you see this, and I'll tell you what I paid for it. Oh, aircon, hairdryer, massive balcony. Look at the size of this balcony. Huge. And then, arguably, a sea view room. And I'll zoom in a bit. And I've had folks going past all afternoon. So they're chilling. Yeah, hang on. There's another one going past now. Just relaxing. Now, wait till the end of the video and I'll tell you what I paid for this room. I'm sorry the room's a complete mess, the hotel won't appreciate it, but the bed's not that bad actually, quite comfortable. And the pillows are really soft. And you've got PowerPoints, you've got PowerPoints there, and you've also got PowerPoints in the kitchen. So loads of charging points for your phones and your electrics and stuff. Watch the rest of the video. So I'm staying on the first floor. This is like in the middle of the hotel complex. I think that is a bar, which I'm going to check out. And just below me is one of the pools. Just one of the pools. That's mad. Yeah, so it's obviously an older style of hotel. So let's have a little walk around it. So obviously that was a bar at some point, which isn't really in use anymore, but toilets are there. So I'm assuming just bring your own drinks in. We got loads of social media stuff, so yeah, if you want to click on that you can. And then we've got a big sun terrace here, which is quite cool, I think. That's the pool I just showed you, just down there. And then we have another pool over here with some like cool chill out music going on. So here we go. There's another pool. It's pretty nifty, so I'm gonna go downstairs and check that out now. Look at that, it's pretty alright, isn't it? You can't really grumble with that. And another pool there as well. More sun lounges. Yeah, so what? Beers start $3.50 to $4.50. Cocktails. Sorry about the shadow. Yeah, and then we've got the pool snacks. Yeah, not too bad at all, quite reasonable actually. So just from the bar area there, you can walk into a little quiet area. So if you're like chilling and waiting for your flight or waiting for your transfer, you can relax. They've got a baggage storage area, which they told me about yesterday, and this little courtyard going on. I'm going to wander over there in a second, because that's access to the other side of the road, which is part of the same hotel. And here we have the reception. Really can't grumble, to be honest. So we are actually located right next door to McDonald's. So if you're looking for this place and you want to know where it is, you're close to the harbour, and McDonald's is literally 15 yards that way. So it's like a centre where I think they've put a few hotels together and made it into one larger complex. That's the section I'm staying in, and we're just going to have a wander around now into that section there. And just on the main road here, just that way, is a big supermarket. So if you want to stock up on your supplies, your water, your coffee, your tea, etc., whatever you're looking for, bread, snacks. It's a really cool place to be located, really. The harbour is like a stone's throw away, and there's some great beach bars at the front where you can just really relax and chill out and just soak up the sun. Okay. That's where we've just come from, the courtyard. Oh, that'll be, I've shot the video in bits, so the courtyard will be shown in a moment. Oops, get run over. We've got like a whole thing going on here with a restaurant, and just at the end here where it's that's McDonald's just there. I went there for a coffee this morning. Okay, they've got a couple of cash machines here, and you might need one if you haven't brought enough euros to pay your £100 security deposit. I'm lucky. I could have ended up staying on this side of the building with no sun and not a great balcony, but the gods were with me, and they've given me a really good room with 3 beds in it, microwave, kettle, fridge, the whole works. So I'm self-catering here for 3 days. So let's go check out this side of the hotel, and I believe there's a rooftop bar here as well, and another pool. How mad is this place? It's just pool after pool after pool. Here we go. So we've got lifts here. The man's going to go and jump in that lift now, just there, and go and check out the top of the building. It's a rooftop pool. So there we go. These are the opening times. We've got 10 in the morning and shutting at 8 o'clock in the evening. We've got a big snooker stroke pool table, ping pong table, and a bar. Yeah, the only thing I'm noticing here, it could do with a little bit of a clean. It's a little bit on the dusty side, but hey ho, you know, what do you expect? This is pretty cool, isn't it? I mean, look at this. We've got a rooftop pool as well. How mad is this? And do you want to know what I've paid for it? Seriously? The pool is on both sides. It's on the inside and the outside. It's only a little pool to be on this side, money, but what a sun trap this is. Look at it. It's absolutely fantastic. There you go. So I've just stepped outside the bar because obviously the music's blaring out. I've paid 32 quid a night to be here, which is absolutely amazing. Self-catering. I've done a little room review. I've showed you all the pools, and what I'm going to also do is like just walk around the outside of the hotel, and I'm going to show you just exactly where this place is. You've got a supermarket literally 2 minutes that way. You've got McDonald's 2 minutes that way. Well, 1 minute that way, and you've got the seafront literally 30 seconds in front of you. You can't knock this place for the money. It's absolutely insane. 5 swimming pools, music, rooftop bar, chill out, decent room with a sea view. I'm so made up with this place, it's insane. I'm in the pool. I've got my t-shirt on. I'm very sunburned. So sunburned it's untrue. Yeah, so great hotel. What more do you want? Oh, that was below then. You've got the beach here. You've got pools there. You've got a rooftop bar. It's cheap as chips. And you're on the main strip here for the night time. Honestly, you can't want for anything else. One caveat, it does get a little bit noisy later on at night. I've noticed that when I got here last night, but they've got double doors on the balconies. So yeah, the only noise you hear is not from the revellers, it's from the revellers coming home at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning, depending on what a good night they've had. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. The bar here, €3.50 a pint, and the views I'm going to post directly behind this, so I'll include the video of this. I'm just saying I can't reckon a hotel that anymore really, especially for the price, the location, everywhere it is, and what it's offering is an absolute steal, so get it booked.
All the truckies are running a bit. Oh, we've all been go back and forth, my lad. Don't go there. No, but don't go there.